All right, guys, again, number 7 on Astros 7.2a, the second assignment. It is very difficult for us to do a question like this in a Google form, so the way that you will get credit is to watch this video and mark that you have watched it. So number 7 says to place the following numbers in the most appropriate place of the Venn diagram below. So 1/2. Okay, so let's talk about the diagram first for a second. We have whole numbers, integers, and then within all that is rational numbers. 1/2 is going to be a rational number. 3/4 is also a rational number. 0.8 or 8/10 is a rational number. -5 is an integer, which means that it would also be a rational number. Okay, 3 is going to go with a whole number, but that means that 3 is a whole number, an integer, and a rational number, but most specifically it would be a whole number. The same thing can be said for 4. 4 would be a whole number, also an integer, and a rational number. And then if I simplify 10 divided by 5, that would give me 2, and 2 would be a whole number, and an integer, and a rational number. Okay? So remember, when we are talking about sets and subsets, we want to do the one that is most specific unless the question asks us for all of the places that the number belongs. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I can answer them next time we meet.